Good afternoon, children. Today we will be doing a grammar topic entitled Have, Has, and Had. Children, let us now do a little revision of the words is, am, and are, was and were, and when they are used. Is and was. These two words are used for pronouns like he, she, or it. He stands for a boy or a man. She stands for a girl or a lady, and it stands for a thing or an animal. So the words is and was are used when these pronouns are present or words that represent it. Are and were. These two words are used for pronouns with we, they, or you. We stands for me and someone else, or many people along with me. They stand for others with many people. You stands for one person or many people. The word am and was is used with the pronoun I. Let us now learn about has and have and when they are used. The word has to be used with the pronouns he, she, or it. This is a boy. So he stands for a boy or a man. She stands for a girl. And it stands for a thing, or you can use an animal. So if I use the word has along with these pronouns, it will sound like this. He has a red band. She has a red and yellow dress. It has red petals. So you see, children, the word has goes along with he, she, or it. You can also write the boy has a red band, the girl has a red and yellow dress, and the rose has red petals. Now let us do have. The word have is used for pronouns like they, we, you, or I. It is more than one. They have shoes on. You can say we have shoes on. Or if you're talking about one person or two people, you can say you have your shoes on. And if you're talking about this boy who is all alone, you can say I have my shoes on. So the pronouns they, we, you, or I, the word have is used. Now all the word have and has are in the present tense, which is happening now. Not which is over, which is happening now. So it is in the present tense. The word had is used in the past. You can use all these pronouns that are there. He had, she had, it had, they had, we had, you had, I had. So the word had can be used with all these pronouns and the words that represent it. but it is in the past tense, something that is already over. So let us revise. Has and have are in the present tense, what is happening now. And for the word has, you use pronouns like he, she, or it. And for the pronouns they, we, you, or I, you have to use have. But had can be used with all these pronouns. Now let us look at this picture and make some sentences looking at it using the words have and has. We look at the girl first. The girl stands for she also. The girl has a fish kite. A kite is in the shape of a fish. So the girl has a fish kite. So here we have used the word has. The word has and have show you that it belongs to someone. It belongs to you or to somebody else, that it is yours. Okay, so let's go to a next sentence. The boy has a kite. So it's showing that the boy has something. He has a kite. The girl has a pink dress. See, she is owning this dress. It is hers. So you use the word has. The girl has a pink dress. When you want to say something about a particular person or a thing that it belongs to that person or thing, you use the word has and have. The boy has red shorts. Now let's do sentences with the word have. They, the pronoun they have kites. I cannot say they has kites. You use has only for a singular noun. But the word have is used for plural nouns. They have kites. The word they tell you that it is more than one. They have many toys. They have toys here, a bucket, a ball, the little spade, a surfboard. So it shows that they have something, that it belongs to them. So they use the word have, and they stands for many. So the word have is used for many. You have a big kite. If I'm talking to the boy, I'll say you have a big kite. So you have to use the word have. Or with the pronoun I, you have to use have again. I have a small kite. So you see, children, the word has is used for one and the word have is used for many. Fill in the blanks using has or have. Now let's do some sentences and pictures and use the word has or have. My uncle dash a big shop. You have to use has or have. Now whom are we talking about? Uncle. Uncle is only one. See, there's one man. So use the word has or have. Has. I dash many books in my bag. What are we talking about? Books. We are not talking about bag. The whole sentence tells you about the books in the bag. So the word we are talking about books. So books are many. So which word will you use? Have or have? Have. The children dash raincoats. Whom are we talking about? Always find out whom are we talking about in the sentence. We are talking about the children, not raincoats. We are talking about the children having raincoats. So what will we use? Has or have? Children are many. Have. A monkey dash a long tail. Whom are we talking about? Monkey. Only one monkey. So which word will you use? Has or have? Has is for one. Have is for many. Has. It dash a bitter taste. It means only one. So which word will you use? Has or have? Has. Has is only for one particular thing or noun. All flowers dash petals. What are we talking about? Flowers. Many flowers. So which word will you use? Has or have? Have. All flowers have petals. She dash a pretty dress. Whom are we talking about? She. She means only one. So which word will you use? Has or have? Has. She has a pretty dress. They dash many plants at home. What are we talking about? Plants. Or they. They dash many plants at home. So which word will you use? Has or have? Have. Because we're talking about they. They have. They have many plants at home. We are not talking about the plants in the sentence. We are stressing more on they. Fill in the blank using had. Now here children, we are using the word had. We have to use the word had, means it is already over. We dash a holiday yesterday. Yesterday means the day is already over. So which word will we use? Had. Not has, not have, but had. The boy dash fallen down. The boy has fallen down already. So we use the word had. The boy had fallen down. The lion dash roared very loudly. Here the word roared, R-O-A-R-E-D. The word ed tells you that it is already over. If you are saying now, you will say roar, R-O-A-R. But when ed is added to the word roar, means it is already over. The lion dash roared very loudly. The lion had roared very loudly. The boys dash lots of fun playing football. Here they are telling you that the boys had already played football, so you have to use the word had. The boys had lots of fun playing football. Now let us look at this passage and use the words has, have or had in the correct place. All plants dash leaves. Here we are talking about plants, many plants. So which word will you use? Has, have or had? Have. All plants have leaves. Each part of the plant dash a job to do. Here we are talking about only plant, not plants. Each means one. So the word plant is there. You have to use it only for one. Has, have or had? Has, because it is only one. Each part of the plant has a job to do. The leaves dash to prepare the food. Here we are talking about the word leaves, means many. So which word will you use? Have. The leaves have to prepare the food. The next sentence, the roots dash to send the nutrients from the soil to the different parts of the plant. Here we are talking about the roots, which are many. So the word have is used. The next sentence, the stem dash to support the plant. Here it's only stem, means one. So we have to use the word has. The flowers dash a lovely smell and grow into fruits. Here we are talking about flowers. So one or many? Many. So we have to use the word have. The fruits dash vitamins and calcium. Here again it is fruits, which is many. So the word have is used. So we dash to grow more plants. Which word? We is there. We means many. So the word have is used here. Now let us read this full passage again. All plants have leaves. Each part of the plant has a job to do. The leaves have to prepare the food. The roots have to send the nutrients from the soil to the different parts of the plant. The stem has to support the plant. The flowers have a lovely smell and grow into fruits. The fruits have vitamins and calcium. So we have to grow more plants. Children, I hope you have understood the topic of has, have and had. Thank you for listening.